Hello, my friends. This is a very exciting video because not only do I get to open my Kit Club box, but remember for the last couple months how we've been telling everybody that the value of our Kit Club is going up $10, but your price is staying the same. Wait a minute, let's think about that. The value is going up $10, but we're not raising your price. How do you do that, right? Like what company ever, like every once in a while you'll see a cereal that'll say, oh, 20% more, but then, you know, the next time you go buy it again, it's already back to the normal price. No. This is the new thing. It's really exciting. I'm excited. And I haven't seen the whole kit put together, so I'm really excited about it. Okay. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's first look at the color palette because that is always like one of the most important things to look at. Oh, sorry. Handy dandy storage envelope. Woo! I know we all love those, right? Okay, so now let's look at the color palette. That's kind of like really in the shot, isn't it? So we'll move that down a little. Here we go. Ready? Dun 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 dun. Open it up. I'm so excited to share this set with you. It's just amazing. Now, Stephanie needs to make sure that she gets all the right names on here, so she's going to cheat a little tiny bit. Okay, so here we go. Let's do our powdered sugar. You're always going to get powdered sugar because, you know, you need powdered sugar, right? Then we have Midnight. We have Poppy. We have Blueberry. We have Sunshine. We have, I want to make sure, Ocean. I'm sorry, this is Ocean. No, Ocean. That one is Blue Jay. Ocean, Blue Jay, Kiwi, and Cantaloupe. Am I right on the cantaloupe? I am. Okay, so there's the colors. And I love that my desk is bigger now, so I can just put those off to the side. Okay, ready? Plus my powdered sugar. Okay, here we go. Let's look at the pattern paper pad. It is called Yippee collection because you know what? Yippee that there's $10 extra value in here. You guys, come on. Is that just like amazing or what? I'm amazed. Okay, Yippee collection. Here we go. Dun dun dun, paper still made in the United States. Yes. Look at the cute little pockets. Now, I absolutely love having those cute little pockets. I'm in love with them. So here's the cute pocket. I colored these for you, so now you just get to die cut them and make your card. So easy peasy. And look at the cute little other sides over here. It's cute little stitching from the stitching dies in stamps. So I really like that. Here we go. Midnight and the yippee. So cute. We're going to look at this one. Hugs. Dots. Love it. Mini pockets. Another coloring sheet. Yippee. Smaller. Hugs. Oh, look at this one. Oh, wait. Oh, mini dots. And look at how cute that one is. I love that one with the little hearts. I just think that's so cute. I absolutely love it. Oh, and stars. So fun. And then we're going to start all over again. You get 2 sheets of each one, which is awesome, right? Okay. I don't know. I'm not going to show you yet. I'm going to wait a little. Of course, you get the handy dandy little envelope. The little card that we like to share with you, just to have that. And then I requested these, but dang, I didn't know we'd get so many. These are blue. These are ocean colored mirrored dots. I can see them on video right now. You can't even tell how awesome these are on video. These are way more awesome than you realize. Way more awesome. Oh, you're getting a little word die. Oh, look how funny the backing card is on this. Yippee, of course, because you know Yippee. That's the name of the kit. Okay, well, envelopes, because let me tell you, you always run out of envelopes. I'm going to show you. Are you ready? I'm going to show you the awesomeness, the $10 extra value. I'm like going to get teary-eyed. Isn't that crazy? I'm just so, I don't want to say proud of us because that would be weird, but I'm just so excited that we were able to make this work. And, you know, we moved some things around, we did some things, and we just said, you know what, we're going to do this. So don't tell Ken, by the way, because he hasn't seen the new budget, but that's okay. Ready? Get set. You are getting an A1 sized card base. An A1 sized card base. So A2 is normal size. You are getting an A1 size. So this is like mini card size, but you're getting the whole card base. The whole card base. It's amazing, right? Okay, so this is like in itself is like a $25 value just by itself, which is amazing. You are getting, it coordinates, remember, with our A2 that has the flower vine. You're getting the card base, right? Right there. Does fit in a standard 6-inch machine. Card base, there it is. Then you're getting the layering die. Then you're getting this gorgeous flower and vine. And you're getting these fun little drop-in flowers. You guys, wait till you see the samples. You're going to be amazed, and I hope to make a card out of this one because I'm so excited about this. A $25 card. You're getting a $25 card die in this kit with everything else. It's just amazing. Okay, let's continue because you know what? There's still more stuff. You are getting 2 ribbons, and of course, we've included that gorgeous, I want to make sure I get this color right. I think that's poppy. Yeah, poppy, fun. This is the suede ribbon that you guys all love. I love it too. It's so fun, especially like when you're doing knots and stuff. So I really love that. And a striped midnight. Then you are getting, I still have 3 more items. You're getting these cute little tiny epoxy hearts. They're so fun. They're just so adorable. And of course they match the colors in this kit. And look at how cute those are. 2 more items still. Are you ready? Ooh, I don't know which one to do next. Okay, then you're getting a whole sheet. Look at this. A whole sheet of cloud puffy stickers because I was complaining not that long ago that I needed puffy stickers that were clouds. So guess what, my friends? We finally got them. Yay! And last but not least, you are getting, this is a new thing too, you are getting stickers that have foil on them that are sayings. So you can add sayings. So we have, you were there and I'm very grateful. Wishing you a wonderful birthday. It was so good to see you. Make today so fabulous that yesterday gets jealous. You're the best kind of friend. Thanks for just being you. Life is better when you are laughing. It means so much knowing how much you care. So very happy for you. When times are hard and I'm feeling down, I can always count on you to brighten my day. And there's 3 others that I can't read. Isn't that awesome? I know. Okay, let's look at our samples and then I get to play. So here's our fun samples. This was probably one of my favorite ones. Look at how cute those little hearts are with the little clouds, remembering all the good times we've had together. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love it. So cute. Then let's look at this one. Here is a cute one. That's using that drop-in die for the flowers. Isn't that cute? Yippee, yippee. Here is a sneak peek, by the way. I'm going to show you a sneak peek. Here is a sneak peek to an A1 envelope die set that I will show you more of soon. Here is a cute one. Yippee! With those cute little hearts. So cute and adorable on the side. And, oh, here's that vine. It was so good to see you. Look at how pretty that vine is with those flowers. And here is a fun pocket because you can cut out those pockets. So much fun, you guys. Now, club members, if you're in the kit club, stay tuned because we are going to create 2 cards together.